Welcome to Cooking with Maine. This is Maine.
Hi guys.
And what are we cooking today?
So today we're doing salmon and asparagus in foil packets. So we have our salmons here that's already been portioned. We have our asparagus. We have our lemon and our butter. We have our minced garlic. We have our parsley and cilantro. We have our chicken broth. And then we have all of our seasonings. Okay, so what you want to buy a heavy duty foil. Okay, because you need something that's pretty tough that can hold everything in. So you want to get a good portion because you still got to, kind of wrap it and do your edges. And you want some mince or salmon. So what we're going to get a portion of salmon. We're going to put that in there. That has salt and pepper on it already. And then we're going to get, as much asparagus as you feel you want to get. And then we're going to salt and pepper the asparagus. Pepper. You also want to put garlic on it. Okay. And then what I like to do, I put a little bit of oil on it because it cooks it just a little bit better with a little bit of oil. Okay. Okay, so you put a little bit of oil in there. You only mix the asparagus with that. Then my favorite ingredient, you throw that on the vegetable. Okay, it gives that little bit of yummy flavor. Again, you mix it up. Then we're going to go over to the salmon part. For the salmon part, we're going to put some garlic on there. Okay. Also on the asparagus. All right. Okay. So then you just smear it in like this. Get your edges. Okay. Mix up your asparagus a little bit. Okay. Then get your little seasoning, lemon pepper. Throw it on there a little bit. And then you gotta get your butter pieces. A couple of lemons. Some cilantro. A little bit of parsley. Lemon juice. Spray it on there a little bit. Take the top, squeeze all the way down. Don't make it too tight. You gotta make it a little bit loose so that the heat can get in there. And then you roll your edges. And then voila, there it is. Throw in the oven for 12 minutes at 425. Alright, now it's time to put them in the oven. My oven does not like when my things are open that long. So